Memecoin launches made me over $400,000 in the past month. If you want to learn exactly how I do it, make sure you keep watching until the end. Now, the raw reality is that you will never make money trading meme coins. Because every single time you'll buy inside a meme coin, it'll eventually just get rugged. For example, this coin, as you can see, after it reached $100,000, it went to zero. And that's exactly why I switched to a brand new strategy, because I got fed up of getting rug pulled on every single meme coin. Now I am the one who is launching, creating the coin, pumping it up, waiting for buyers to buy in, and when the market cap is high enough, I simply just exit with profits. And the special part about what this strategy offers is that it's fully repeatable, so you can do this over and over again until you have a shit ton of money and you have nothing to lose. So if you genuinely want to make some money, okay, you guys have to keep watching, because I'm going to show you guys exactly how to launch your very first meme coin and then make some money. But obviously this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. This video does not constitute financial advice, so please do not copy me. Stop the cap! Now, to create your first coin, I would highly advise you to head over to create tokenfast.fun, because it's the only launchpad that actually works. Now essentially here is where you will be able to launch and create your own coin with no coding required on the Solana blockchain. And the reason why you have to be launching your coins here is because all the coins are going to be listed on the Raydium DEX, which means that your coin will be immediately graduated without any delay. And also right now Pump.Fun is banned, so I would highly recommend to launch coins on the Raydium DEX if you want to maximize your profits. But anyways, if you want to create your own coin and then launch it, there's two different ways to do it. The first way is to actually make it from scratch. So essentially you would go on Twitter and try to find a good narrative. After that you would put the token name, token symbol, and token image, and then continue with the other steps to after that launch your coin. And the second way to launch your coin is actually my favorite one, because I'm personally printing thousands of dollars while doing this. And it's actually by copying trending coins. Now, essentially, all these coins, they're all trending and pumping on Pump.Fun. And all you have to do is copy the coin, list it back on the Raydium DEX, and then print generational wealth. And yes, you will get buyers, because all these coins, they all have a good narrative and they're all filtered out in your favor. But anyways, now it's time to make some money. So I'm gonna connect my wallet, as you can see here. So select my wallet, boom, connected, and then I'm gonna look to making a coin, but refresh list first. Okay, now, okay, the viral smiley kitten just caught my attention. It has a last buy 6 seconds ago, a $31,000 market cap, and it's king of the hill. So I'm gonna create coin, which will copy it. Your phantom will pop up, just go inside of it. After that, a warning will pop up. It's completely normal. Every single person is gonna get this at first. Just proceed anyway, confirm, understand, confirm, and then your coin should be copied shortly. Boom! As you can see, view on SoScan. Here is proof. As you can see, it is created on the blockchain. And now it's time to copy the coin, create the liquidity pool, I mean. Now here select your coin. It should be pre-selected. Select your Solana balance, amount token A, click on 90% to put 900 million coins in the pool. And for the amount token B, I would recommend to put 0.5 SOL. Obviously the minimum is 0.3 if you're broke, but this is actually the first buy inside your own coin. Now you will be the first buyer inside your own coin, so you are not losing this money. It will come back inside your wallet after you remove the liquidity, so it's completely safe. Okay, you are the first buyer, I repeat. And now it's time to create the pool. So 3, 2, 1, create pool. After that, your phantom wallet will pop up. Just click on confirm and then click on refresh, and boom, it popped up. As you can see, I'm already 70 bucks in profit. Now click on view on Photon, and now your coin is live. As you can see, it's pumping at the moment. Now, okay, let's go. Ooh, it's pumping a lot. Let's go. Okay, the coin is kinda dead, but if it fucking explodes, I will be removing the liquidity, bro. Come on. Oh my god! Okay, to remove the liquidity, come back to CryptoKids.Fun, click on the minus button to 100% remove the liquidity. Oh my god, I'm about to retire my entire family! Oh my god! Come on! Confirm! And boom! That's exactly how you pump and dump a coin and print thousands of dollars, bro. And if I open my Phantom wallet to see exactly how much I made right here in 3, 2, 1, bro, I'm so nervous, bro. Come on, at least $500, bro. Come on. $558 is inside my wallet, bro. Oh my god, I made $500 in profit. Create tokens.fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. If you want to win one so like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and yeah, bye.